Hello, good day. How are you today? You're good, right? Okay. Are you ready for today's lesson? You are? That is good. Today in basic science, we are going to be looking at respiratory system and excretory system. Okay? Are you ready for the lesson? Good. So first we are going to be looking at respiratory system. The respiratory system refers to the set of organs and structures in our body that help us breathe. It includes the nose, trachea, bronchi, and lungs. The primary functions are to inhale oxygen from the air and exhale carbon dioxide, allowing our cells to receive the oxygen needed for energy production. Okay? The respiratory system is like our body's breathing system, okay? It includes the nose, trachea, bronchi, and lungs. Its job is to help us breathe by taking in oxygen and getting rid of carbon dioxide. This oxygen is important for our cells to make energy. So the respiratory system is like our body's air manager, okay? Do we understand that? Okay, so the respiratory system is vital for the exchange of gases in our body. Okay, we're going to be looking at the processes of breathing. Breathing involves two main processes, okay? Inhalation and exhalation. Okay, inhalation. This is when you breathe in. Your chest expands and the air is drawn into your lungs. It's like filling up a balloon. Okay, then exhalation. This is when you breathe out. Your chest gets smaller and you push the air, which now contains carbon dioxide, out of your lungs. It's like letting the air out of a balloon. Do we understand? Inhalation is when you take in oxygen, and exhalation is where carbon dioxide is expelled. Okay, these processes ensure that your body gets the oxygen it needs and removes the waste carbon dioxide. You can think of it as a continuous cycle of breathing in fresh air and exhaling used air. Okay? Do we understand? Okay, so we're going to be doing a breathing exercise. First, you breathe in, okay? Breathe in, then you breathe out. Breathe out. You inhale the oxygen and you exhale carbon dioxide. Do we understand that? Okay, can we do that again? Breathe in and breathe out. Okay, so this is the processes of breathing, inhalation and exhalation. You breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. Okay? So the processes of breathing ensure a constant supply of oxygen to cells and the removal of waste carbon dioxide. Okay? Good. Remember, the respiratory system is like our body's breathing system. Okay? Good. So next we're going to be looking at excretory system. Okay? The excretory system refers to the part of our body that manages waste and maintains a balance of fluids. It includes organs like the kidneys, which filter our waste and excess substances from the blood, producing urine. The urine then travels through tubes to the bladder for storage until it's expelled from the body. Okay? Do we understand that? The excretory system is all about removing waste from our bodies. It's like a garbage disposal system, but for our internal environment. Do we get that? Think of the excretory system as your body's cleanup team, okay? It helps get rid of waste and keeps things balanced. The main players are the kidneys, which filter our waste and make pee. This pee travels through tubes to the bladder and then leaves your body when you go to the bathroom. So the excretory system is like your body's way of staying tidy inside. Okay? Do you understand that? You do, right? Good. Next, we're going to look at the need for excretion. Why is excretion needed? Our body produces waste as it works. Imagine your body as a factory. After making useful stuff, there is also some waste that needs to be removed, okay? If we don't get rid of this waste, it could be harmful. Do you understand? The need for excretion is like taking out the trash from your body. Your body produces waste that needs to be removed, okay? If we don't get rid of this waste, it could be harmful. So excretion is your body's way of staying clean and healthy on the inside. Do you get that? Excretion is needed because your body produces waste as it works, okay? And excretion helps remove this waste. Excretion helps balance the amount of water and other substances in your body. If waste builds up in your body, it can be harmful. So excretion ensures that harmful substances don't stick around and cause problems. Okay? So excretion is needed because it's like our body's way of staying healthy and balanced. Do we get that? Good. So next we're going to be looking at excretory organs. Excretory organs. Excretory organs are like the cleanup crew in your body. The key player is the kidneys. They act as filters, taking out waste and extra stuff from your blood to make urine. This urine travels through tubes called ureters to the bladder, where it is stored until you are ready to get rid of it through the urethra. Okay? The kidneys are the main players. They filter out waste from your blood, making pee. This pee travels through tubes to the bladder and then leaves your body when you go to the bathroom. Okay? Think of the kidneys as the cleanup crew in charge of making sure your body stays balanced and healthy. So the excretory organs are basically your body's way of keeping things tidy inside. Okay? Do we understand that? Good. So today's lesson on respiratory system and excretory system. We understood it, right? We first of all looked at the respiratory system. We said the respiratory system is your body's breathing manager, right? Breathing involves inhaling and exhaling, right? The process is make sure your cells get the oxygen they need for energy. So the respiratory system is like your body's air control center, ensuring you breathe in fresh air and release used air. We said that. Then we looked at the excretory system. We said the excretory system is your body's cleanup crew, right? It deals with waste. The excretion is like taking out trash to keep your body healthy. And the main players are the kidneys, right? Which filter our waste and make urine. This urine travels through tubes to the bladder, your body's holding tank, and leaves when you go to the bathroom. So the excretory system helps ensure your body stays clean and balanced inside, right? Okay, so we understood today's lesson. Good. So next we are going to be looking at our assignment. I'm sure we're going to be able to do our assignments, right? Okay, good.